Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, we will try to learn about how we can use expansion bit overflow in Schematic Manager Siemens PLC S7-300. Let's go to the software. First of all, we will take a one. What's the meaning of this status bit? In the section of status bits, you can see this one, all commands. We will one by one, we will discuss about this command. First of all, we will read this manual, this command in the manual, and just click it on this one, and after you will be get the manual. Little we will be expand this manual. What he say in the description, you can see OV expansion bit overflow. ROV means negate expansion bit overflow. These two bits are both running, look like one is NO and one is NC. If you will be using for NO instruction, it will be give you signal at 0 1 state, and if you use this one NC command, after this will be continue on. Same this upside he will give the symbol also, and after what he says, contact symbols are used to recognize an overflow in the last math function executed. This means that after the function executes, the result of the instruction is outside the permissible negative or positive range used in series. The result of the scan is linked to the RLO by AND operation. Used in parallel, it's linked to the RLO by OR logic. Means any value when you using in the program, if with the example we will try to learn, this is in the integer function, we will be go for an example. This first command, addition command, I will be use, and we will give the number I 0.0 for example, and here we will give the number of data register MW5 for example, and here we will give the MW10 data register, and here MW20. Because of this single this bit cannot run, we have to be linked with this addition function. When this first row you use with this addition command, after you have to be use this one OV command expansion bit, and one output we will be take here, for example Q 0.0. What's the function of this command? Means an example, this is you are using an integer data. Integer data is 16 bit. How much value can be possible? Maybe you understand in previous videos. If you see, after you will be understand integer value, how much we can use in the program. 16 bit means 32,767. This is the last value. If there is some wrong value, we will put in this command, or some operator or some anybody, if put the value, how we know about the value, which value we put in the program, this is wrong or right. Maybe somebody don't know about this value binary, so this command will be help us. After this will be trigger the input inside, he shows this value is something have wrong inside. Because of this, maybe sometime you put value, command will be accept, but it will be shows value in the negative or some other happens. This will be indicates us the this is the wrong value. So we will download this program and we will check this one how it's working proper or not working. For example, here we will write some value, means here I will put the value 32,000 put, and here is the minus value. For example, here I put for example 100 value, and you can see it's normal working because of this. Here is the 32,000 value and here is 100, and this makes the addition and gives the answer in the 32,100. It's normal working. For an example, we will put the above value of the integer range, which is the range acceptable in this command. After, what happens? 32,000, and here I will put the value, for example 767. So we will get this one. Now our integer value is still normal, means this is the total value of integer 32,767. But in case of if somebody put it here value wrong value, means 768 put, and which is not acceptable in this command, this value goes into the minus. You can see this value goes minus, and this is not giving the perfect address because of we here like to be addition 32,000 inside 768, but this command only acceptable 32,767 value. So this is now indicates us there is something wrong, some value is wrong inside this command. You have to be correct, and this signal comes at the display. See, when I remove this, just only one value is correct value, for example 767, when I put, after you can see this command is now go to stop. And same as this function, how much working these commands are working look like, yani in the section, yani this is the OV open contact, and this is here you can see this one OV is close contact. Same as this one, I will stop this one and we will remove this one, and here this one we will be used that's command, and same again we will be download and make it on. And now you can see here is the value is normal, but it is running, means opposite it's working, yani as I give the number of this value 768, after you can see this value is now closed, but this our value is perfect, our value is wrong now, but it's now stopped. As value will be correct 767, or any down value, for example if you put it here 100, it's nothing issue, it will be working look like then continue indicates your program is properly running. If this will be stopped, after you can think about this is there is something wrong value inside our the command. So hope guys this is the method of this bit expansion overflow bit. Chala will be next lecture. I will explain you this all commands one by one, and hope you will be understand about this one. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.